Okay guys, so today we're talking decimals, and I want you to be able to, when given two decimals, be able to compare them with each other. So let's start with an example. Let's say that I have on one side, I have 0 and 83 hundredths, and on the other side, I have 9 tenths. Okay, so what I want to do first is, just like when I'm comparing whole numbers, I want to line up my place values. Okay, so down here I'm going to line up 83 hundredths here, and here I'm going to line up my place values with 9 tenths. So in my ones place I have 0, here's my decimal, and I'm going to line up the 9 tenths with my 8 tenths here. Now, what I want to do is I want to compare starting from my highest place value to my lowest place value. And so here I'm going to look at my ones place first, and both of my ones places I have a 0. So I'm going to move over to the 10th place, and in my 10th place, here I have a 9 tenths, and here I have an 8 tenths, and I know that 9 tenths is bigger than 8 tenths, so 0 and 9 tenths must be bigger or greater than 0 and 83 hundredths. So I have a less than symbol in here. Another example, sometimes they're going to give you a different decimal form. So let's say that, for example, on this side I have 202 hundredths, and on this side I have 2 and 2 hundredths. Okay, so what I want to do first is I want to make both of these numbers into decimals. So I have 202 hundredths here, and the way that I turn that into a decimal is I have 202, and to put a decimal in the hundredths place, it would be here. So my decimal for 202 hundredths would be 2 and 2 hundredths. Now here, 2 and 2 over 100, to make that into a decimal, I know my whole number is 2. 2 hundredths as a decimal is 2 hundredths. So now I can see 2 and 2 hundredths, 2 and 2 hundredths, I have the same thing here. These things are equal.